Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record a bank deposit using undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. Accurate tracking of your finances is crucial for any business, and QuickBooks Online makes this process simple and efficient. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website, click on the Sign In button, and select QuickBooks Online. Enter your login credentials carefully. Accuracy is key for smooth access. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your homepage. Next, look towards the top left corner and click on the New button. This opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options for managing your finances. From this menu, select Bank Deposit. This will take you to the bank deposit page where all the details for recording a deposit are displayed. The first step on this page is to add the bank account where the deposit will be reflected. Select the appropriate bank account from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the payments that you want to include in this deposit. These payments are listed as undeposited funds. Tick the box next to each payment you want to include. This ensures all incoming payments are properly funneled into your deposit, maintaining both accuracy and efficiency. If there are any additional amounts, such as rebates or refunds, add them here as well by selecting the appropriate account from the drop-down menu. Including every relevant payment ensures your books are up to date. Once all the details are entered, click Save and New to finalize the deposit. This confirms your inputs and record the deposit in QuickBooks. Finally, return to your QuickBooks homepage to verify that everything has been recorded correctly, giving you peace of mind that your finances are accurate. And that's it! You've successfully recorded a bank deposit using undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.